Welcome everybody. Right now we're going to talk to you about how to be relatively successful while exploring Colorado trails. There's multiple sections of Colorado. Particularly today we're going to discuss with you the mountains.
Yep. And we're not at a super high elevation for mountains, but we are at 9,000 feet. You do have some 14ers in Colorado, which are all on their own. Yep. They do not necessarily involve this video. So, number one, always have a map. I highly recommend a downloadable map because then you can have it on hand, you can have it ready, and it will tell you exactly where you are. Paper maps, sometimes they're great backup, but a paper map, you're not going to be able to see, oh, I'm on this point, and know exactly. Yeah. Like our All Trails maps, what they do is we can pull it up even whenever we don't have cell service, which is most of the time in Colorado. We can pull it up and say, okay, we're on Fire Road 722, for an example. So that's something to keep in mind. So, always have a map, some form.
And a compass. Sorry.
Compass, definitely. Because it's easy to get turned around and mixed up or whatever. And so with point number two, I want to definitely say always have water. Always have way more than you think you're going to need. We carry Camelbacks with us. You also would be really good in Colorado to have a Life Straw. Now that's just a brand name. Essentially you want something that can filter water and give you good clean water to drink while you're on the trail. It doesn't always taste great, but you always need water. It's dry up here, the elevation, it dehydrates you so quick. And
that's where like electrolytes also, things you can add into your water, or just like even drinks you bring with you in your pack out. Yep.
They also have little gels you can get that offer electrolytes. I have to get extra electrolytes because I can't drink as much all at once as a normal person. So I'm constantly replenishing. And that comes with food too. You want to make sure you have some form of snack because honestly, it's Colorado. You never know what's going to happen.
Yep.
Right?
And that's where the weather is a huge point.
Yep. So we'll go with point number three.
Yep. And that's where we'll discuss the weather. Because as you look above us, this is cloudy. 5 minutes ago, there was no cloud in sight. Yep. It's the mountains. You can never predict the mountains.
And that's what, it's just weird. Their weather patterns are weird. Sometimes they have a pretty good idea and they're right on the money. Sometimes they're wrong.
Yep.
No offense to weather people, but sometimes you just don't know.
But while we're on this, topic, especially about weather, guys, sunscreen is a huge important thing. Take care of your face.
I recommend 100 SPF.
Yep.
Some people say, oh, 50 is great. Colorado, this sun is different because you're higher up, the air is thinner. It just beats your body.
But guys, these points we just brought up to you, we hit on just the basics of getting out here. I mean, your clothing, that's preference, but we can recommend, sorry, my watch is talking.
It's just
but you guys, tall socks, hiking shoes, something like that. You can even wear pants.
I like pants.
Yep, you can wear pants, you can wear whatever, it's just whatever you're comfortable in. But definitely, we're on what, a service road, give or take. And it's easy to walk in regular shoes.
It is.
But there's a lot of times that doesn't stay true when you're on these trails in the mountains.
And I will say, whenever you start getting tired on these trails, especially after the sun's been beating on you, your body's going to require a little bit more aids. So I do recommend a high top shoe, especially if your ankles, joints aren't used to it. It just provides extra support.
But everything we just hit on, we want to also talk about the four-legged family members here.
Yay, Eric!
Guys, you gotta take care of them. They will take care of you. Their eyesight a lot of times to see things before you do. So it's actually very helpful on a trail. And a lot of times, unless if it's a populated trail, you want bear spray.
Always have bear spray. Yep. I also carry, it's a sound thing. It's a button that I just push and it sends out super loud. The entire world can hear you loud alarm.
Yep. But guys, with your puppies, there's like a paw butter you can put on them to help them with the terrain. Stuff that can help them with. Let them stretch out.
Yep,
But
she's still stretching it out from yesterday, but she's doing great. We do provide her with a lot of vitamins. We use Alpha Dog vitamins, which have done great with her.
Oh yeah.
And she loves it too.
And guys, yeah, dogs are amazing. A lot of dogs, you know, some are good, some aren't for this type of stuff. But
respect your dog.
yeah, respect your dog. Pay attention to them. If they start limping, inspect their paws.
Yeah.
Highly inspect their paws. They get stuff in there. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, we talked about quite a few things. I mean, we can get into
really important things.
Yeah, like even first aid kits, if you want to pack one of those out. Oh, one of the most important things I can stress that's on many signs: do not leave trash on the trails. You pack out what you packed in. You bring back your trash. So keep that in mind, that you pack things that are easy to store after you say eat them. The wrappers. Just store
That's your responsibility. It's not the land's.
Yep.
Or the people that work here, if they work here.
And in Colorado, there are fines for that.
Big fines.
If you get caught by anybody doing that, and there are trail cameras.
Yep.
They have ways of finding out. Hey guys, other than that, when you're in Colorado, enjoy the views.
Enjoy it.
Ultimately, enjoy the adventure.
Enjoy the smells.
Because you can drive 20 miles and find a whole different trail in these mountains that smells different.
Everything.
It all is subject to change, and that's kind of what we just wanted to prepare you for, is how to handle the change.
Yep, you always need to prepare anytime you go out in the wilderness for whatever is known for that area.
Yep. And okay, I got to throw in one little added note: protect your eyes. Always protect your eyes with that sun. She will put on sunglasses when she gets into direct sunlight. We're in cloud cover right now.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Learned a little bit of something from it. If you have any questions, just please comment below. We'll be glad to answer anything for you.
If we know.
Yeah, if we know, we'll look it up for you.
Time.
Yeah, we'll look it up for you. I mean, we've been traveling these trails for years now.
Yeah.
Just
and
things we've learned.
We'll even go ask park rangers if
Oh yeah,
you have questions.
guys, park rangers are generally really awesome people to talk to.
And they love teaching.
And I won't lie, a lot of times they seem lonely, so they love to talk. So, no offense to you park rangers, I'm just saying y'all have a very solitude job.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, take care, have a good time. Once
Enjoy your
again,
trail.
hope you learned something and enjoy the adventure. Enjoy it.